Hi, you all. This is day 29 of my GATE CS 2027 prep journey. Sorry, this is a little late today because I was into one session. And yeah, today also I have revised CN and not that much. Like, I took little while revising one question, and then I was doing some upskilling thing also, so it got extended and I had one session just got ended. So that's why I'm recording this video now. And yes, so I hope you have like all are doing fine. Everyone are doing great, and they have like everyone have studied good amount of hours today. So starting with, if you remember this question yesterday, like in class B subnet, we know IP address of one host and mask given below. So if you observe, IP address is of class A and subnet mask is of class B. I mean, so thing is that not necessary. You will use default subnet mask of that respective class, since it's a class A here, but we can use any subnet mask that I have repeated it. And the concept that we do here, like IP address is of class some different class like class A and subnet mask is of class B, is because of concept called as CIDR, which is also known as classless interdomain routing. And in real, classes don't matter much, only subnet mask matters. Okay, so that's all for this question, and it was very like easy. You have to just do bitwise, and but not in traditional way, like using 128 64 32 16 bits, and you need to just take common, and that would be in your IP address, and that's all. That's the answer. That's the first address, IP address. So that was the question that I left where like yesterday. So I wanted to just again discuss about the question. Class, it doesn't matter in the question. Default masks only matters, and it could be any default mask they can use, not related to that class. So that's all for this question. If you go like here, I have spent quite a little bit of time because I have understood the question. And what is it about, like, so nothing, like here router uses following router table we have given, and if you see there is like destination, but it's not a destination IP address. Don't think it's a destination IP address. It's a network address, you can say, where interface like network address of respective interface, using where we are going to send packet on destination IP address, and it falls under the same range within of destination IP address, which is 144.16.68.117. So here again, we need to do same bitwise and take common, and if it matches with the network address of respect to interface, we are going to send like using that interface. So that is the concept here. And if I show you my notes here, see. So in question, router asking this packet wants to go to destination IP address, which is 144.16.68.117. Which of my interface should I use to send it forward? Router. Then router checks router table entries one by one. Each entry looks like network address plus subnet mask, which is interface. So analogy for this question would be like router is delivery person, where to send packet. Router is basically where to send packet, and it could be related to delivery person. And router table is list of roads plus areas, and destination IP is address, and ethernet you could say as like path to send the packet. So here, yeah, how to solve this question is just you need to do the bitwise ANDing between the destination IP address which is given with respect to network with the longest subnet mask. And here I have I have repeated like why the longest subnet mask, because their network address is fixed and less number of host ID bits would be there, which would give the less IP address and which would be more precise. So that's why we take the longest subnet mask. So you need to do first pick the longest subnet mask, do it bitwise and with the network destination IP address given, and if it matches with the respective network address of interface, you can select that interface. Router select by performing latest LPM with the destination IP address. Longest prefix match, which means like router with maximum number of ones in subnet mask. So that's how you solve the question. Like solving is easy, just wanted to understand the concept. Then same type of question is there. If you see, it's the same type, nothing different. Just take longest subnet mask, do it bitwise ANDing with the destination IP address, and if it matches with the network address, then select that interface ID. So this is also same kind of question, but subnet mask is given in CIDR notation, like slash notation also called as, which is again subnet mask number of maximum ones in subnet mask. If you see, it's the same only respect of this thing. And you need to do the longest bitwise ANDing with the longest subnet mask and this thing, what do you call, destination IP address, and see if it matches. If it matches, send using that interface. Same concept. Then there is concept called classful addressing, classless addressing. Classful addressing would be the same that we have seen in so far in all the examples. It would be 32-bit divided in between network address and this host network ID and host ID. Class full addressing is, and classless is CIDR notation, slash n notation. Slash n represent NID and subnet mask. So here here they have given slash notation, then divided into NID and HID bits, and then need to find first number of first block, and of course we use HID, not the NID, because NID are fixed and HID we can change it. So using HID we can find number of first number, second number, third number from the block. Then CIDR rules was IP address should be contiguous, that is it should be continuous basically IP address. Second rule was block size must be power of 2, should be power of 2, and first IP address of block must be divisible by size of block. Remainder should be so if you see how to find the block size is first bit minus last minus first plus 1. That's how you find the block size, and it should come in power of 2, otherwise it's not the CIDR. And the third thing is, if you see first IP address block must be divisible by size of block, last 4 bit, and if they are zeros it represents the remainder. That's all. till here only, like same question they have taken here, not question concept is the same. So till here only I have revised. It's little less, but still fine. I mean, I will do it more. I'll speed up now because I'm taking a lot of time. So yeah, that's it for today for regarding CN revision. So do let me know how many hours you guys have put in today, and do subscribe if you want to see me more and what rank I'll be securing. Thank you guys for coming and watching. It do really means a lot. So thanks for supporting.